I wanted to share with you how much I like this humidifier. Let me go ahead and show you how it works because it works really, really well. So first thing you do is you have to put water in it. So here is the top of it, and there's the little pump. So let me put that off to the side. And then we'll go ahead and put the water in. It does take a total of 8 liters, which is just over 2 gallons. You can see that there is 6 liters of water in there. So I'll go ahead and put the top back on. So one thing I wanted to let you know, you will hear noise in there. I thought it was broken when I first got it, but it's charcoal in there that is part of the filtration system. So we'll go ahead and put this down in there, and then I'll go ahead and plug it in. I do wish the plug was a little longer. Top's back on, and as you can see, the water is now the 6 liter mark. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to use the remote, but you can, of course, use the controls here. All right. And it starts up right away. So with this, let's see. Right now, the humidity in this bathroom is 29%. You can set the humidity level. Let me show you the different controls. We have a timer. We have the night light, mist volume, humidity, and on-off or sleep mode. So let me show you the custom humidity. So let's say I want it 65% humidity in my room. I set it for that, and watch what's happening here. It will go back to showing you what it currently is, and then you can watch it move up. So right now it is going at different modes of mist volume. Let me show you the different levels of mist. So here we have 1. There we have 2, so definitely more mist, and now 3. And depending on your mist volume, it will use water at a faster rate, of course, with the higher mist volume. So the timer is nice. You can see down here it's changing it, how many hours, and it goes up to 12. And that's usually what I do. I usually just set it on 12 and let it run itself down. And if it runs out of water, it'll just shut off. The night light, mist volume, humidity, and then on off. I do want you to notice how quiet it is. So it will not make any noise in your room. And the only time it makes any kind of beep is when you make adjustments to these things. We do use filtered water because in our area it is very hard water, and we found out that if you do it without at least distilled water in our area, it covers things with a white powder. I'm guessing maybe it's the minerals from the water. You can adjust the humidity, as I mentioned, not super precisely, in 5 degree percentage increments. Let's see. The tank doesn't leak. But I discovered the hard way, you can knock this over and fill your floor with water. So do put it in a place that's not in the way. All right, it is, as I mentioned, 8 liters and 2 gallons. Let me show you back here something that you can do. Right back here, there's a slot for, it comes with a little tray that you can put essential oils in. We have lost it. So, but do know it comes with that, and that makes it really nice if you enjoy that. This does come in 3 colors, black, white, and blue. It also, it's a nice size, like 25 inches tall, and without the water in it, it is 5 pounds. One thing you do have to make sure you do, it does warn you, don't put it near the wall. You want to make sure that you don't have it too close to the wall because it certainly can damage your wallpaper or paint. And then also this does move around 360 degrees. You can have it point wherever you want, but still don't put it by the wall. There we go. We kind of have it in the same space, so it's a little stubborn. We've had this for about a year, been super happy with it. It's definitely done the job that we need where it's so dry here. All right, well, if you're looking for a humidifier, this one has held up well for a year, and we've been happy with the results, and it's certainly very easy to use.